ఇదేం గోలరా తెలుగోడు గోల.
Hey YouTube, welcome to the second video of literal and nuanced translation of Telugu songs. For the folks who are watching my video for the first time, what I do is I posit the lyrics and may help you understand the lyrics, especially because they're from my mother tongue. And Telugu వాళ్ళకు కూడా కొన్ని పదాలు అర్థం కావు ఎందుకంటే అవి వాడుకలో లేవు కాబట్టి. So I will bring them to you and introduce them to you. So hopefully you can learn something new from the video. And also, please go check out my first video. But anyway, let's go check it out. So today I'm going to review a song called A Pilla from Love Story. The movie hasn't been released yet, but it stars two of my favorite actors, Naga Chaitanya and Sai Pallavi. And the lyrics of this song has been written by Pingali Chaitanya, who is a great novelist. She's written an amazing book which won the Sahitya Academy Award, and she's also a great granddaughter of Pingali Venkaya. Granddaughter, great granddaughter. I'm not really sure, but you can go check it out. And Pingali Venkaya designed our national flag, by the way. So she comes from a great tradition, and the lyrics of this song are quite beautiful. So let's go check out what she's got to offer.
ఏ పిల్ల పరుగున పోదామా.
So ఏ పిల్ల పరుగున పోదామా. Hey girl, can we go on a run?
ఏ వైపో జంటగా ఉందామా.
So ఏ వైపో జంటగా ఉందామా. Can we go in any direction and be a couple?
రా రా కంచే దుంకి చక చక ఉరుకుతువా.
So ra ra kanche duki chaka chaka urukutu. So can you please come by jumping over the fence, and can you please come running to me?
రంగుల విల్లును తీసి ఈ వైపు వంతెన వేసి.
So ఆ రంగుల విల్లును తీసి ఈ వైపు వంతెన వేసి రావా. So can you take the beautiful rainbow that's filled with colors, and can you make it a bridge between us, and can you come over?
రావా
సో ఎన్నో తలపులు. తలపు అంటే థాట్. ఇట్స్ నో, డోంట్ గెట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ విత్ తలుపు. తలుపు అంటే డోర్, తలుపు అంటే థాట్. ఎన్నో తలపులు, ఏవో కలతలు. ఎన్నో, ఐ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ థాట్స్ అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ డౌట్స్. కలత అంటే డౌట్స్, చిన్న చిన్న చింతలు. బ్రతుకే పోరవుతున్నా అండ్ లైఫ్స్ బికమింగ్ అ స్ట్రగుల్. సో బతికే పోరవుతున్నా గాల్లో పతంగి మల్లె ఎగిరే కలలే నావి. ఈవెన్ దో లైఫ్స్ బికమింగ్ అ స్ట్రగుల్, మై dreams have become my dreams are flying high in the sky like a kite, is what he's trying to say.
ఆశ నిరాశల ఉయ్యాలాటలు పొద్దు మాపుల మధ్యే.
So asana nirasala uyyalaatalu. So likes and dislikes, hope and dishopes, or there's no word called dishopes. Hopes and being dejected. Uyyalaatalu. So it's like a swing. So all these hopes and nirasalu, they're swinging like a swing in my life. Poddu mapula madhye, just like the evenings and the mornings. They are swinging just like the evenings and the mornings. My hopes and dejections. So yeah, that's what it means. So nakantu undinte undanta inka nike. So this is all I have, and all I have is yours, is what he's saying.
ఉండా
సో నీతో ఇలా ఏ బెరుకు లేకుండా. విత్ యూ ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ హర్డిల్స్. బెరుకు అంటే చిన్న చిన్న హర్డిల్స్ ఆర్ చిన్న చిన్న మిస్టేక్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ మిస్టేక్స్, యా, చిన్న చిన్న హర్డిల్స్ ఆర్ చిన్న చిన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్.
నువ్వేగా
సో జారే చినుకుల జల్లే పడుగు పేక మల్లె. So the little raindrops that are falling because of rain. Padugu peka malle. Padugu peka ante like a web to so spider forms their webs, using zigzag patterns or whatever patterns they are. So padugu peka malle ante alladam anamata. Ala webs ni alladam. Nannu ninnu alle. So that's the next part of it. Nannu nillu ante it is linking up you and me just like a spider's web. సో పొద్దే తెలియక గల్లీ పొడుగున ఆడే పిల్లల హోరే. పొద్దే తెలియక, without knowing if it's day or night, the kids that are playing on the street and the noises that they make and the fun that they're having. నాకంటూ ఉందింతే ఉందంతా ఇంకా నీకే. So if you go back and look at the lyrics, what he says is I have made my yesterday, my today and my future for you, and what I have is these little kids playing in the streets, that love or that atmosphere or the raindrops and the street lights, and nakantu undinte undanta nike. Again, this is all I have and all I have is yours. It's beautiful.
ఏ పిల్ల పరుగున పోదామా, ఏ వైపో జంటగా ఉందామా. పారే నదై నా కలలు ఉన్నాయే.
So పారే నదై నా కలలు ఉన్నాయి. Just like a flowing river are my dreams. So my dreams are like a flowing river.
చేరేదరే ఓ వెదుకుతున్నాయే.
చేరేదరే ఓ వెతుకుతున్నాయి. So they're looking for a destination to go.
గుండె హోలి చేసి ఆచితూచి అందించా జాతరలా.
So this is where the beautiful word oli comes in. Na gunde oli chesi aachituchi andincha jatarala. Na gunde, my heart, oli. Oli is a dowry that's given by bridegrooms to the bride, not the bride to the bridegroom. So whenever you get married to a queen or like somebody who's really well known in the society or somebody that you really love, you give oli. So the bridegroom gives something to bride. Oli chesi aachituchi, very carefully. Andincha Jatarala. So I've given, Jatara is a village festival that happens back home in India, especially in South India. Jataras are really famous, especially in my state. So I've given you my heart very carefully, just like a festival, as my bridegrooms, as a dowry to you.
ఆ క్షణము ఛాతి పైన సోలి చూసా లోకం మెరుపుల జాడే.
So ఆ క్షణము ఛాతి పైన సోలి చూసా లోకం మెరుపుల జాడే. So that moment, I've seen my life. I've seen the thunder lights on my chest, on my body, because that's where your heart is. So he's saying my heart or my chest area has become a place for thunderstorms because of you. సో నింగిన మబ్బులు ఇచ్చే బహుమతి నేలన కనిపిస్తుంది. So the gift that the clouds are giving, the skies are giving, is visible on earth as you, as a gift for me.
నీడలు గీసే తేలే బొమ్మలు చూడే
సో మారే నీడలు గీసే తేలే బొమ్మలు చూడే. So he's saying that the shadows draw pictures. Tele bommalu chude. Tele bommalu ante flowing figures or flowing toys. Bommalu ante especially telu bommalu antaru kada, puppets. So these flowing shadows are creating tele bommalu. So you know, these figures. So Patnam cherina pala puntalu pallela santela bare. So I have a misunderstanding here, or Patnam cherina. So you know, the things that have reached the city. So pala puntalu, they could be either birds or short ways that have reached big cities. So I don't know how to interpret this, but regardless, they're both beautiful because those little birds, the blue jays, white jays, pala puntalu, milky white birds, they've reached the city, they've migrated to the city. Or even the small roads that can be interpreted in a different way, they've reached to the big cities as well. Pallela Santalabare. So yeah, Santalabare, I think now we can come to a very concrete conclusion that Santalabare is, Santa means it's like a market in villages. So chinna chinna villages lo Santalu antaru. So Pala Puntalu. So little roads along those little markets in those villages have come to the cities. So bringing all that joy, bringing all that wholesomeness to the city is what it's trying to say. So nakantu undante undanta inka nike, all I have is this, and all this is all yours. So what he's trying to say. So hopefully you enjoyed the video and hopefully you learned something from it, and I will surely do another video pretty soon. But in the meantime, if you really like this video, please like it, comment, subscribe, and please share the video and let your friends know that this is happening. So thanks for listening and thanks for joining me. Bye bye.